Hey all, how many of you feel difficulty in balancing this chemical equation? If you are the one, just comment in the chat section. So in today's class, I will teach you the easy way of balancing difficult reactions. Okay, so there are two most difficult type of reactions in class 10 chemistry. So one is this, many students say me that this reaction is very difficult to balance. While balancing, they get messed up with lot of things, okay, where they end up in doing wrong balancing. And the other type of reactions are combustion reactions. So in this video, I will teach these two equations, how to balance them, how to approach those reactions to balance. So let us start with this reaction first. See, the number one point that you have to keep in mind is always balance metals first. Okay, so always balance metals. Don't start with like hydrogen or oxygen. Always start by balancing metals. So what is a metal in this reaction? Lead is a metal, yes. And the lead, how many leads are there in right hand side and left hand side? Just count it. There's one lead this side and one lead this side. Okay, so in the reactant side one lead, product side also one lead. So lead is already balanced. Now you leave it. Okay, later you go on balancing the non-metal here. So which is a non-metal? Always keep oxygen balancing at the end. That is the trick, guys. Okay, always keep oxygen balancing at the end. Okay, so when you keep this oxygen at the end, things become very, very simple, right? So next I will try to look after nitrogen here, right? So how many nitrogens are there? Two nitrogens are there this side, and this side there is only one nitrogen. So initially you will start putting a number 2 here. Okay, so the moment you put 2, right? So the moment you have put 2, nitrogen is balanced, no doubt in that. Nitrogen is balanced, no doubt in that. Okay, now you will look after oxygens, right? Yes. So how many oxygens are there this side? 3 2s are 6 oxygens are there, right? And this side how many oxygens? This fellow is giving 1 oxygen and this fellow is giving 2 into 2, 4 now, and this fellow is giving 2 oxygens. So total how many oxygens are there? 1 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, so that means 7 oxygens are there. Here 7 oxygens are there and here 6 oxygens are there. So what is the number that you can expect to put here? Definitely you will start the number from 2 onwards. If you put 1, there is no use. So obviously you will start putting a number 2. So put a number 2. No doubt put a number 2. Okay, so after you put a number 2, now you know all elements got disturbed. Okay, now lead got disturbed, nitrogen got disturbed, everything got disturbed. No, now don't look for oxygen. Don't try to balance the oxygen. Come from starting. That is the trick. The moment you have put a number 2, come from starting. Okay, you have put this number to try to balance oxygen. After putting 2, don't try to balance oxygen. That's what the students make a mistake. Okay, so the moment you have put 2, use a common sense that everything must have got changed right from lead onwards. So now come from starting. Come from starting in the sense, yes, balance metal, start balancing lead. Now it is 2 lead, here this side only 1 lead, so I will put a number 2. Okay, so after lead, go for balancing non-metal. So which is a non-metal? Nitrogen, isn't it? So how many nitrogens are there? Here 2 multiply with this number, 2 into 2, 4. But here initially what is the number you have put? 2. That is wrong now. So before nitrogen, what number you have to put? 4. Okay, because this side 4 nitrogens are there, so you have to put 4. Now you see oxygens. Okay, so now you see oxygens. How many oxygens are there this side? 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, multiplication. So 12 oxygens are there. And this side how many oxygens are there? this fellow is contributing 2 oxygens, this fellow is contributing 4 to the 8 oxygens, and this fellow has contributed 2 oxygens. So 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12 oxygens. So oxygens are balanced, isn't it? So hope you understood. Okay, so once you have put 2, you know what had happened starting. Okay, 7 you got here, 6 oxygens you got here. No other go, you have to put number 2. 1 if you put no way to balance. The moment you have put 2, you have to use common sense here that you should start balancing this equation right from first step onwards. Okay, so now everything has changed. Come from lead onwards. See lead, make it proper. Later see nitrogen, make it proper, and ultimately your oxygen becomes proper in that course, in that journey. Okay, so this is how you have to approach the balancing, okay, for the complex reactions like this. For more amazing videos and excellent concepts, you have to check our complete class 10 course, which is designed to get 100 in science. Yes, to get 100 in science in a more smarter way, just by understanding the concepts in a better way and in the easiest way. The course is designed to make your foundation so strong that you can effortlessly face the future competitive examinations like NEET, JEE or whatnot. Right? Okay, so what is included in a course? Complete concepts are available in the form of recorded videos. All concepts of chemistry, physics and biology are covered. Later, you have practical demonstration. All chemical reactions are shown live by demonstrations. Physics, the ray diagrams and many difficult concepts have been shown in a practical way, and the biology concepts are explained with the beautiful animations. And you will get smart study material. After every chapter you have a self-assessment test, you know, to boost your confidence, and you have weekly live sessions which I will call it as inner circle calls. Okay, so these inner circle calls are arranged every Sunday at 7 p.m. Okay, so the calls are they go for 1.5 hour to 2 hour, where I work on the mindset part. I teach excellent tools and techniques to remember the concepts in a better way. I revise the entire chapters, and I do lot of work on the mindset part, because 80% of the game is on mindset aspect. And later the course will have PYQs and mock exams. One-to-one consultation is available, where you get to talk to me personally for about half an hour, where I personally give you suggestions on your weak points and pain points. Okay, and then you will get the toppers notes in a PDF format, and you will also get the career guidance after 10th, what has to be studied according to your interest, capabilities, how to proceed in a particular path so that you can excel in a particular career, right? So that career guidance I'm going to give you. And in a course, free bonus is included, that is the foundational course of worth 999. Okay, 999 rupees. You know, if you are weak in foundations, it can be chemistry basics, physics basics or biology basics. So I have all concepts regarding the basics that is necessary to understand class 10. So you can get perfect with the basics and then go for the concept videos. Okay, so this is a proven course. Many students in the past have got 100 in science effortlessly. Okay, and just stay with me, aim high and achieve higher. See you in the course, and the link to join to the course is given in the description. In case of queries, you can contact through our WhatsApp number. So just take a screenshot of these numbers and connect to us to get into the beautiful community of achievers. Okay, so this is one method of approaching the balancing part very, very easily. So now I will teach you the combustion reaction. Okay, say what are combustion reaction? Any carbon compound like CH4, you know, these are called as carbon compounds. Okay, so combustion in the sense burning with oxygen. So whenever somebody uses the word combustion, always register in your mind that It is nothing but burning with oxygen, reaction with oxygen. Okay, so whenever any carbon compound burns with oxygen, you will always get carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so such reactions are called as combustion reaction. Okay, say here C2H4 plus O2 giving carbon dioxide and H2O is one example, and C6H6, okay, which is called as benzene, okay, burning with oxygen giving carbon dioxide and water. This is also combustion reaction. The compound can change, it can be whatever the compound it is. Okay, combustion is always means burning with oxygen, and after any carbon compound burns with oxygen, it will always give products carbon dioxide and water. No matter whatever the reactant is there, you will always end up in getting, carbon dioxide and water as the products. Okay, say you can take C6H12O6, glucose. Glucose on combustion means burning with oxygen. It will also give you carbon dioxide and water, this is the reaction that actually happens in our body, which is actually called as respiration, isn't it? It's actually called as respiration, guys. Right? So now few of the combustion reactions are very difficult to balance actually. Okay, this is very easy. How do you balance this? First you will balance carbon, one carbon, one carbon. Okay, 4 hydrogens here, 2 hydrogens. So you will put 2, right? So the moment you put 2, yes, 2 2s are 4 hydrogens, and here 4 hydrogens balanced. And now you will see oxygens, 2 oxygens here, and this fellow is giving 2, this fellow is giving 2. So 2 plus 2, total 4 oxygens this side. Total 4 oxygens this side. You have to make 4 oxygens here, so you will put 2. So this is a very simple reaction to balance, no complications involved. But come to the next reaction. Okay, and these reactions are very commonly found in class 11 and 12 chemistry. Okay, so if you are a class 11 and 12 student also, then this is a must watch video for you all. Okay, right? Even for class 10, if they have to ask a challenging equation for combustion, challenging equations for balancing, they might come up with equations of this sort, where you have to be very careful in balancing, isn't it? Yes. See, the problem that you get here is, let me start balancing first with carbon. Yes, with carbon. Let me balance carbon. Always keep oxygen at the end. Always keep the oxygen at the end. That is the trick. Okay. 6 carbons. So I'll immediately put 6 here. Okay. 6 hydrogens this side. And here only 2 hydrogens are there. To make it 6, I will put 3. Now is a problem with oxygen. Okay. Look over here. 6 2s are 12. Okay. And here 3 oxygen. So how many oxygens this side? This fellow is contributing 3 and this fellow is contributing 6 2s are 12. So 12 plus 3, 15. But this side how many oxygens are there? Only 2 oxygens are there. Okay. So you need 15. This side only 2. Okay. If you put number 2, you will get 2 2s are 4. No. But if you put number 3, 3 2s are 6 you will get. But how many you want? 15 you want. 3 will not work out. If you put number 4, 4 2s are 8. But how many you want? 15. So 4 also will not work out. What about 6? 6 2s are 12 you will get. But you want 15. So 6 also will not work out. 7 2s are 14. But how many you want? 15. So 7 also will not work out. What about 8? 8 2s are 16. But how many you want? 15. So 8 also will not work out. Yes. So no number is working out here. You can't put 7. If you put 7, it comes out 14. If you put 8, it comes out 16. So in that case, what do? Introduce a fraction. Okay, introduce a fraction. How many you want? 15, right? So here you will write 15 by 2, guys. Write 15 by 2. No problem. Initially, write 15 by 2. How many oxygens you require? 15. So write 15 by 2. No problem at all. No problem at all. Okay. And later, you should not keep this fraction in an equation. Okay, so to remove this fraction, I will multiply entire equation by 2. Okay, so when I multiply entire equation by 2, what do I get? Entire equation by 2 in the sense whatever numbers would be there here. If nothing is there, it means 1. Here 15 by 2, here 6, here 3. These numbers. Okay, so these numbers, whatever is there before the formula, okay, so it is these numbers I am multiplying by 2. So 1 into 2, 2. So 2C6H6 plus here you see 15 by 2 into 2, 2 gets cancelled. So just 15 remains. So 15 O2 giving you 6 into 2, 12 CO2 plus 3 into 2, 6 H2O. That's it. So now you see this equation is in balanced mode. See 2 6 are 12 carbon, 12 carbon. Okay, hydrogens, 2 6 are 12 hydrogens, 6 2s are 12 hydrogen. Now oxygen, 15 2s are 30 oxygens and here 12 into 2, 24. Okay, so 24 plus 6, 30. So all elements are balanced. Okay, I repeat once again. I wanted 15 oxygens. So what initially I did, I have put 15 by 2. Now I have to remove this fraction. I don't want this 2 in the denominator. So the whole equation I am multiplying by 2. Whole equation multiplying by 2 means what? These numbers, the numbers that you have put for balancing, no, those numbers you are multiplying by 2 here. Okay, if no number is there, 1, it means there is 1. So 1 into 2, 2 you have put. 15 by 2 into 2, 15. 6 into 2, 12. 3 into 2, 6. So when you do this, you will get completely balanced reaction. If you do it in that hit and trial method, it will take long time and ultimately you will end up in confusion. Okay, so this is the shortest trick to balance any combustion reaction. Okay, so this is how you can balance combustion reactions with tricks and tips, right? So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, at least 1% benefit if you have got, don't forget to share with your friends. Okay, like the video and share with your friends. Okay, so that is the support you are giving to a homeschool. Okay, so if you want homeschool to reach to larger number of audience and it is your duty, when you took 1% of benefit out of the video, it is your duty to help homeschool to reach many students. Okay, so like the video, share the video and support the homeschool. Thank you.